Hello and welcome to another update video about XLM Stellar. We talked in the previous video here, I zoom out a little bit. We talked in the previous video about the idea that XLM could be in this fifth wave. In fact, we talked about that now for in the last few videos. XLM is in this fifth wave. It's getting interesting because obviously, when the XRP news hit, this is when it reached the resistance, the larger resistance area that I had communicated before here in red. I need to zoom out a little bit more, actually, even more. So it reached here this resistance area. Yeah, I count that as a wave 2 pullback after a 5-wave move down. It is a 5-wave move down. Okay, so this is not a 3-wave move down, in my opinion. Clear 5, then an ABC structure to the upside, and yeah, I mean that means we want to see a corrective pull. We want to see this as a correction. We want to see 3 waves up. That would fulfill this count. I also communicate that for risk management purposes because the long-term XLM chart doesn't look very good, so I don't want to raise highest expectations. Okay. What is important to understand is that of the, where were we here? The December low price rallied in an A wave. It came down in a B wave, and we now expect that C wave rally. ABC. If it then forms after that another higher low and another higher high, we have 5 waves up. Then we can talk about bullish. Yeah, then we can talk about bullish. I'm not telling you it will crash down. I'm telling you after the next high, be on the lookout for a very strong drop. But I will also probably give you support for a wave 4, which would help with trend continuation. So I will also keep an open mind regarding more bullish potential, but the market needs to prove that for me. I mean, XLM needs to prove that. At the moment, it's going according to plan anyway. So we broke above the, well, no, we didn't. We rallied into resistance. We came down into support. I don't know why that is so far here on the left-hand side. But this was our trend reversal area where we intended price to get into and to reverse to the upside after the rally on the 13th of July. And I think smashing. Okay, so anybody who entered here, fantastic. Then in the last video, we were still above the trend line. And I said to you, look, we are probably in this fifth wave of the C wave. If the trend line breaks, we should get into this support region between 13.5 cents and 15.69 in a B wave. Okay, I'm counting that as an ABC structure. Long story, it's just basically because this is a diagonal to the upside. But the idea was, okay, let's see, when we break below the trend line, we should enter the orange box and then also reverse out of it to the upside. We want to see a 3-wave pullback into support. That happened. However, we've really only reached the minimum, yeah, the 38.2 fib level, and it reversed, great. But so far we only have 3 waves. We need 5 to really confirm a lasting low in place in wave B. My view is that there is a good chance it will go lower, yeah, and give us a deeper B wave. So I don't want to label that really as complete. I'll leave the B there, but definitely put the alternative on here because honestly, this would be a very weak B wave, and I would be surprised if it just goes, but it can because the setup already worked. But I think it will come down a little lower in an extended 3-wave move, okay? So it can. Until it breaks above the A wave high at 18.1 cents, it can easily do this. Form a larger 3-wave move, okay? Just that you know. Yeah, and from what I observe normally, I mean, most frequently you would expect in a B wave, the 50% retracement at 14.99 cents in this case. Yeah, that's my update about XLM. There is not much more to talk about other than, okay, keep an eye on these relevant support levels. It needs to hold 13.5 cents really in order to have a chance to rally in the in the C wave. And at the moment it's holding that. But I've got these support areas there for a reason. And that's to indicate to you where price has a chance to turn around and to react and to shift. So far, it's respecting my fibs, my support areas. That would be a good t-shirt, wouldn't it? Respect the fibs. But anyway, it's respecting that. But I see still the good likelihood for another lower retest of the support area. And then we've got 14.99 cents, 14.33 and 13.5 cents. Below that level, however, I don't really have anything bullish left. Well, the only thing that could happen then would be an extended fourth wave here, that we're actually still in the fourth wave. But I would say there is an argument to be made that this is a 5-wave move up in an A wave, so that we have already good confirmation that the 5th wave is running. And target wise, yeah, roughly 22.5 to 24 cents. Okay, that's my update about XLM. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.